Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Going for round 2. But today, I will be talking about the 5 things I like about my Crown Vic Police Interceptor. The first thing that I do like about it is the car being on body on frame. Much better and much preferred over the unibodies that the Chargers and the Impalas and all those things actually have. And it also much more cheaper to fix and things because it is on body on frame. Anytime you get into a wreck, they don't have to go back through and try to straighten out anything because the body frame itself is still going to be intact and still great. This car right here is almost built like a truck. Number 2 is going to be the Crown Vic effect. Most Crown Vics will have the Crown Vic effect, especially if it's black and white, all black. I saw some that are blue and white. I mean, it just really all depends with the lettering and the decals and, of course, the spotlight, the push guard, the center caps, all those great things would actually help out with the Crown Vic effect, meaning that whenever you go down the road, people see you and they actually get out the way. Especially like if you are in the fast lane and they're in the slow lane, they're definitely gonna slow down. Some of them might even look all in your car, try to see if you are a cop or not. Or whenever you pulling up to a red light or any other light, people will look all in there, try to check as well to see if you like any type of undercover cop or things of that nature. Great thing to have. Now, number 3 is I very seldom get pulled over. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I very seldom get pulled over. I done had polices wave at me, ask me about my car. Hell, I even asked them about some of their cars and, which vehicle they prefer. And most of them actually told me that they prefer the Crown Vic over the Tahoes, the Chargers, all those things, because these cars, you can abuse the hell out of them and they still gonna perform. They still gonna do what they need to do. Yeah, they might not have the best speed in the world, but everything else is there. This car built like a tank. You can't destroy it. You can't do anything to it. And we all know how the officers and highway patrols and troopers and sheriffs and all those guys actually drive these cars. And then once we get them, we sometimes drive them hard and things of that nature as well. But the Crown Vic is just really built like a tank, and police officers really don't even pull me over when I be in this thing. I could recap when I was driving down the highway. I was going about 100 in a 70. Yeah, I know I was kind of up there. I was kind of speeding, but I saw a state trooper in the median. I swore up and down that he was coming to get me, gonna pull me over. He was in a Charger, matter of fact, a black and white Charger, but he just looked at me, went on down the road. I looked at him, went on down the road. Did I stop? Hell no. I just kept on gunning it, y'all. But it was a crazy thing to have. But number 4 of the things that I like about the Crown Victoria Police Interceptor is the longevity of it. This car can last easily 300,000-400,000 miles. That's why you see taxis driving around in them and so on and so forth. These cars can actually long. Yeah, proper maintenance and all that stuff actually do take effect as well, but that's with any vehicle. But the Crown Vic, man, 300,000-400,000 miles, easily. It's just simple as that. And still pulling strong, still doing what it needs to do, still performing. I mean, come on now. Come on. Number 5 on the things I like about the Crown Victoria, and that is, it is an all-purpose vehicle. What I mean by all-purpose vehicle yeah, we all know it actually have them been in pursuits, and it is a pursuit rated vehicle, so on and so forth. But there's videos online where people doing off-roading. I done saw people, driven them in the snow. Yeah, they might not be the best in the snow, but with a couple of snow tires and maybe a few bags in the trunk, it'll actually help out. But some Crown Vics actually does have traction control. There's a guy down here selling the Crown Vic now. It's more like a 2003, 2004 model. It had traction control on it. I was actually surprised to see that because I thought Crown Vics didn't have them on there. But I noticed as well on like some of the later models, like right there where you see where you can adjust your foot pedals and stuff. I believe it's on a 2010 and 2011 models. I'm not for sure, but I was hearing that you can also make that be like a traction control as well, because some of them do have it right there in that spot. But the Crown Vic, it actually can be driven in the snow. Of course, rainy, wet days. I'm quite sure y'all probably saw my crazy Texas weather video. Summertime, when it's very hot outside, great thing to have, and so on and so forth. But the thing that got me is that with the Crown Vic, you can also do some towing on it. I did not know that you can actually tow a boat and trailer and things of that nature on the Crown Vic. But that was one of the great things I actually did. So I believe one of the guys on YouTube, he actually have a Crown Vic towing his boat. I believe his name is Mr. Random. I'm really not sure, but he actually do great Crown Vic videos as well, and he was on there towing the boat. Now, I did say I was gonna go do 5 things I like about the Crown Vic, but hey, I'm gonna go ahead and do one more. And this, me personally, and the great thing about the Crown Vic is that it's easy to mod, man. You can easily mod this Crown Victoria. Throw some 373 gears in there, or 410s, anything of that nature. I saw a guy on YouTube. I'm not sure if he got the 410s in there or the 436s or something like that. I don't know, but he have it called modded 2009 Crown Victoria or something like that. But it's easy to put a K&N cold air intake on there. You can also do that. The plugs are easy to get to whenever you want to change your plugs. The coil packs are easy to change. I mean, all the simple basic mechanic stuff you can actually do on here. Now I know that you will have to go ahead and, take it to a shop to get your favorite Flow Masters or your favorite MagnaFlows that you want to put on there. But man, the Crown Vic is real easy to mod, man. With most of all the simple stuff. Real easy to do. Changing the alternator, make the alternator better. I know some people, they change the thermostat. They put like the 180 degree thermostat up in their Crown Vics. Real easy stuff to do, real easy. But I'm finna get ready to sign off, y'all. It actually still pretty cold outside, but I'm glad we got a little sun today. I hope all you guys had a great new year, drunk a little beers, had a little fun, kick it with family, kids, all those great nature. I mean, hey, 2018 is here. Let's go ahead and make it a great year. Let's go ahead and keep doing what we're doing. God bless all y'all. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Unmarked Pursuit Vehicles is out. Y'all take it easy.